Hello everyone. Today we will compare the chapters of Kent Repertory, BTPP and BBCR. So this is the first part of comparison of chapters of these important repertories. So first chapter in BBCR is mind. In BTPP it is mind and intellect, and in Kent it is mind. Now second chapter in BBCR is sensorium. There is no such chapter in Kent and BTPP. Third chapter in BBCR is vertigo. In BTPP, this is a misplaced rubric in mind and intellect. It is a misplaced rubric in which chapter? In mind and intellect. You can see this. And in Kent, there is a vertigo chapter. Kent, there is a chapter vertigo. Now, fourth chapter of BBCR is head internal. Head internal. In BTPP, head internal and external is given together. BTPP, head internal and external given together. Again in Kent, there is only chapter named head. So, fifth chapter is head external. Now, sixth chapter is eyes in BBCR. There is same chapters present in Kent and BTPP. Now, there is a sub-chapter vision in under eye. But it is a sub-chapter. But in BTPP and Kent, these two chapters are present. Seventh chapter is ears. In BBCR, same as Kent and BTPP. After ear, there is a subchapter. Hearing is a subchapter in BBCR, but in Kent and BTPP, these are specific chapters. Then eighth is nose chapter, which is same as BTPP and BBCR, Kent. Now here there is in nose there is a subchapter present coryza, which is not present in Kent and BTPP. Now ninth chapter is face, which is same in all the three. 10th is teeth, same in all the three. 11th is mouth, same in all the three. Then next is appetite, which is given as hunger and thirst in BTPP and in stomach as stomach in Kent. 13th chapter is thirst, which is given in BTPP in hunger and thirst, and no such chapter is present in Kent. So next 14th chapter is taste, which is present in BTPP, but taste is a rubric present under mouth chapter in Kent. 15th chapter is eructation, which is present in BTPP, but no such chapter is there in Kent. 16th chapter water brush and heartburn, no such chapter in BTPP and Kent. Next 17th chapter is hiccup, which is present in BBCR, but this hiccup is under eructation chapter in BTPP. This is under eructation chapter in BTPP, under eructation. Then next is nausea, vomiting, same in BTPP and BBCR. No such chapter is there in Kent. Then 19th, it is stomach chapter is given. In BTPP there is no such chapter stomach. It is external abdomen. Then 20th chapter is epigastrium, and epigastrium is present in BTPP under external abdomen as rubric at pit of stomach. After that comes internal abdomen, which is present in BTPP. Now 21st chapter in BBCR is hypochondria, and it is present in BTPP as rubric under internal abdomen. Now 23rd chapter, external abdomen. So in BBCR abdomen and external abdomen are present. No internal abdomen is present in BBCR. In BTPP, external and internal both are present, and in Kent only abdomen is present. 24th, inguinal and pubic region. There is no such chapters in Kent and BTPP. Then 25th, flatulence, same as BTPP, but no such chapter in Kent. Then in 26th, stool chapter is there. In BTPP also stool is there, and in Kent also stool is there. Now 27th, anus and rectum. So anus and rectum are specific chapter in BBCR, but they are present as rubric under chapter stool in BTPP, and there is a separate chapter rectum under Kent. Perineum in BBCR, but perineum is given as sub-rubric in stool under BTPP. Then comes the prostate gland, 29th chapter. In BTPP, prostate is a rubric under chapter urinary organ, and in Kent, urinary organ has subchapter prostate gland and urine. In BBCR, urine chapter is present. In BTPP also urine chapter is there, but in Kent, urine is a chapter under urinary organ, or it can be said as subchapter. So we have seen 30 chapters. Now remaining we will see in the next video. Thank you.